Hello everyone, my name is Jennifer Stay. This is Coloring Bliss, and today I'm going to answer the question, is there a really simple tool that can help me pick colors quickly and blissfully? And the answer is yes. I have Steve, my husband and business partner, here with me because he's been working hard on remodeling one of my favorite color picking tools. That's this little one right here. Look how thin. It fits in your pocket. It can fit in any pencil case, so you can have it with your favorite tools. And anytime you need help picking colors, you pull it out and you're picking colors really quick and easy. Let me show you how this tool works and how the new one that Steve has created is improved and amazing and waiting for you to come download it and use it. So this is the tool, but what it comes with is a full color version of the color wheel that you can hold in your hand and use. And then it comes with 4 different wheels that you can put on top of it and turn it depending on what kind of color scheme you're looking for. So let me give you an example. Let's say you're working in this book right here, Volume 2, Flower Bliss. And it has lots of really fun flower coloring pages in here, but let's say we were going to work on this one right here. And what I usually do when I'm picking colors is I look at the coloring page and I kind of decide how many colors I need to make this successful. So I look at it and immediately I can see that I have some leaves that I'm going to want to color green. I usually do yellow-green because I love yellow-green leaves. And then we have some flowers that will need a color. And we have some butterflies and then this little ribbon illustration here to work with. So when I look at it, I see a 3-color color scheme. 1, 2, 3. And then I can mix in those colors with the ribbon. So it's basically a 3-color color scheme. So you bring up your tool and you're going to look for a wheel that says 3 colors on it. So this is one here. This has 4 colors, so I don't need that one. This one here, it says 3 colors, so that one would be a good one to look at. And then this one says 3 to 4 colors, so we could use this one too. Now, if you've been around Coloring Bliss at all, you know that I love a good split complementary color scheme. It's my favorite to work with. So that's this wheel right here. This triangle, the tall triangle, is the split complementary color scheme. So that's usually where I begin, to be honest, is with the split complementary because I love it. And I know I want yellow-green for the leaves, so I have one color picked already, that one right there. Let's just flip it around so it's at the top. So I can either point my triangle like this with the tip of the top of the triangle on yellow-green, or it can be rotated like that, or it can be rotated like that. So usually what I do is I start here and I look at it and it tells me yellow, green, red, and violet. Let me bring that up to screen so you can see that better, how that triangle shows me those 3 colors. So then I look at the coloring page and I think, okay, yellow, green here. Would I want to color the flowers red? That's a good color. And then the little butterflies could be in violet. There you go. I like it. Yeah. It's pretty simple. I'm already have my color scheme picked and I'm ready to go. And then I usually have either a paper clip or a binder clip, these clips here. Usually what I do is I tuck those 3 extra wheels in the back and I keep this right here like this so it's pointing to the colors I want to use. Then I just clip this on like this so it holds it for me, and then I remember this is the color scheme I'm working on.
What I like too is that if you decided, you know what, I don't want to use red and violet, it's already positioned to help you choose the triadic right there.
Yeah.
And you could say, you know what, maybe I just want to go all tertiary colors.
Yeah, so that one is, he's talking about this bigger triangle right here. It's another 3-color color scheme, and it would be really cute too. Yellow, green leaves. Red, orange for, let's say, the flowers right here, and blue, violet for the cute little butterfly. You know, you could also do, I'm thinking here, you could do yellow, green, and red, orange, and also maybe some red, orange on the flowers, and then do the whole background in blue, violet. That would be really pretty too. Yeah. Lots of options, and this color wheel here can help you quickly choose your colors like you just saw. In fact, there are, well, in a minute I'm going to show you the upgraded one. The upgraded one has 9 color schemes for a total of 252 color combinations, all with this little tool right here that fits in your pocket or in a, you know, those really thin zipper pockets that come with your color pencil cases. This will fit perfect in there, and then you're quickly picking colors every time you sit down to your tools. So exciting. Now, what makes this even more exciting is we've got the new version now. And my version doesn't have one of these color schemes. So let me show you what Steve has done. So this is the tool we're going to be making together today. I'm going to show you kind of an updated way that I'm going to make this tool, and I'll teach you what I'm going to do. But it has the same complementary and monochromatic right here. This is the same as the previous tool, your complementary, analogous, and your analogous color scheme. And then this one has 2 4-color color schemes. It's got the square tetradic and the rectangle tetradic. And now we've got this new one here. If you can see, it's the double split complementary, and it's actually going to give you 5 colors. So I have found a typo on Steve's tool. Yeah, I think he's fixed this for me a couple times already. So he'll have it fixed for you. It will say 3 to 5 colors instead of just 3 colors. That's all it is, Steve. No big deal. In fact, I can fix that right here and right now. 3 to 5 colors. Oh, look, my 5 looks like a weird 6. We're having trouble with that 5. Anyway, so this is the new one. I'm so excited about it. The first step we need to do to get this tool going and replace my old tool is I need to cut out all these circles. So I'm going to cut around here and around each of these 4 wheels here, and then we'll come back together and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next to make this tool even better for me. Okay, we have all 5 wheels cut out now. So technically the tool is done. If you want to stop there, you can. But I'm going to take it one step farther to help them last longer for me. And that is to do a quick laminating. So I've got a laminating pouch right here. And we're going to tuck these in. Give them lots of space so I can leave a plastic border around these. I'm just going to tuck that all the way up there. Okay, now we're going to bring up my laminator. Mine is by Swingline. It's nothing fancy. It just has a hot and a cold setting, and I've got it on the hot setting, obviously, because we're going to do a heat laminating. And you pick it up carefully like this and try to feed it as straight as possible into the machine, and then it will do the rest. Now, when I had Steve print my tool for me, we chose a nice heavy cardstock so that this tool will last as long as possible. It gets used a lot and I don't want it to fall apart on me. And the other thing you see me doing here is I use some white correction tape and fix that little number 3 so that it says 3 to 5 in a nice legible way. Okay, and now because we're working with thick cardstock here for this printed out wheels, I'm going to send it through a second time just to make sure it's super duper glued. Okay, we're done with the laminator. Next step, to cut these out, but remember to leave a small, like 1/4 of an inch-ish, maybe even less than 1/4 of an inch, just a small border so that the plastic stays sealed around the item that you have laminated. Is it just me, or do you have fond childhood memories of cutting out laminated things at school? I love using lamination. All right, there you have it. The tool is ready for use. We've got all 4 pieces, and I think I'll use this cute little blue binder clip to hold them all together. And next time I am ready to choose colors quickly, I'll grab this little tool and I'll be good to go. So the question now is, how do you get your hands on your copy of this tool? All you need to do is follow the link in the video description and it will take you over to Coloring Bliss. You can become a paid member. It's just $5 a month and you'll be supporting Steve and I and all of our work that we do here at Coloring Bliss. Plus, you get access to this tool and hundreds of other downloadables. Hundreds of them. Coloring pages, swatch charts, coloring tools, all kinds of great stuff, all just for $5 a month. You can cancel anytime you want. This tool alone, I think, is worth the $5. So come on over, get your tool, and start choosing your colors quickly and easily and blissfully. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful, colorful, blissful day. Bye-bye, everyone.